Hello from the future. Welcome to Classic Car Club Manhattan. So, this was originally shot with the intention of being one video, but as I was editing it, it sort of made more sense to split it into two. Part one is sort of the overview of the WingaDinga and all the ridiculous stuff that happened. And then part two is like my death trap experience riding in it, which is more just like a bonus. I'm gonna roll part one now and redo the whole intro thing. I hope you enjoy part one of the 1970 Mercedes WingaDinga review. Those are all, that's a perfectly normal English sentence. All right, see you guys. Brad's back in town. We're gonna say hi to him. You wanna come with me? Sure, that's great. Thank you. So as far as I know, Bradley thinks I'm still in the Subaru. Hey man, how's it going? Hey! Oh my god! What? No, I just, oh my god! Yeah. I've missed these home fries so much. Look at this. It's a cinnamon roll oh my good god.
Yeah. That's how much I owe. It's been a few months, alright?
Yeah, it's been a bit. But I now have two of these in me. I'm going to get a third. And I'm kind of almost joining the land of the living again. We might get to go for a ride in a car that costs more than a mint condition 70s Mustang.
In the 70s.
Alright, super cinematic walkway to get a last cup of coffee in 3, 2, 1. Map bars, color rating.
I think you're stuck. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna shake the table the whole time. Oh my gosh, it almost fell.
Alright, so we're gonna meet up with my friend Kyle before I head out.
Yeah, look at that. Just because you big New York boy.
Yankee Doodle danky son of a What's that cloud of smoke? Oh. Oh. So is that its official name then?
Yes.
The WingaDinga.
The WingaDinga.
Let's go. Fine, Kyle. That's something to see in your rearview mirror. So apparently that's built on a 70 Mustang chassis. And the kit for the car in 1970, when his grandfather bought the kit, was $5,000 new. His grandpa bought it and just like let it sit in the garage forever. Finally gave the project to him and he actually built the thing. We looked up the price of a new Mustang in 1970 and it was $4,000. Gotta love project cars.
Was it fast?
Yeah. Oh, that was, you gave her the beans?
A little bit.
Nice.
You ready?
The WingaDinga! Oh my god. Alright, my turn. Probably should have gotten gas while I was on that side of town, that's fine.
Come your way, they bring the flowers that bloom in May. So if it's raining, have no regret, because it isn't raining rain, you know. It's raining violets.
Well, we made it without losing each other or crashing into each other, which is good. Yeah? What's up?
The only question is, how many laws do you think we just broke if we were in the United States and not in Mexico? Zero.
Yeah, pretty, I mean, basically.
And I totally didn't run a red light.
Who? Yeah, no, of course not. Why? That's such an oddly specific thing. Is Kyle even here? I don't see his truck. Maybe it came in someone else's. We're going to Tijuana Flats in Pensacola now. He didn't I told him I was Is that a Mercedes steering wheel?
Yes. Is this a Mercedes replica? Yes.
Huh. Didn't know that. Let's go to Tijuana Flats. Just become tasteful for a moment there. Wait, what? Where? What? I swear I just saw him. Bruh? I thought you were gonna take that one.
It's actually a really good spot.
I'll stand in it for you so no one takes. I'll fight him. I'll lose, but I'll fight him. How's it going? It's moving under its own power. Okay. We have progress. Okay, he's coming this way. No, Bradley, you don't know that you're, but it's a. God damn it, Bradley. I'm just not gonna say anything. That's fine. He'll figure it out. Yeah. 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 Okay. Amazing. Hey man, that's I'm pretty good. Good stuff. Good. Let's get Kyle's take on this whole thing. I said hi to those girls walking past and they just didn't want any part of it. I don't know why. I was just standing in a parking lot like a normal person with a GoPro and a selfie stick saying hi to them. So what's their problem? You? It was for the transition. Hi. Oh shit, you're alive.
God damn it.
Oh my god.
There's a lot more people here than I thought there would be.
Yeah, right?
4 people. 4 was a lot more than you thought there would be.
My car only seats 2.
Oh, what was your car?
Wait, that was your car?
Oh, let's go do that.
What?
You know, it really feels like a return to form with you carrying a GoPro around everywhere.
Right? Yeah. Except this one is actually like not as shitty footage.
Here for the Komoot revolution.
The what? Oh.
So my neighbor had a box of 1,000 of those pink glasses.
Oh my-
So I've been giving away like fucking candy.
Dude, I had
We all
pink
have
wheels
about
and I don't
5
have a set of them?
Dude, I can get you like
Please
5.
get me a
Yeah.
set of them.
Yo. Hey, don't touch that. It's worth more than your life.
Yeah, I'm like,
Damn.
If you think that
Damn,
you can
left
buy
hand.
it,
how much you want?
8?
10.
Okay, 10.
Bro, your new daily?
My new daily, bro.
What?
It's a manual?
Yeah, man.
Was it always a manual?
Oh my god, I never saw. That's the one hell of a
You
shit
haven't
boot you got
taken
there.
it.
Alright.
Did you see it likes to leak gas?
Yo,
That's good.
Oh, pop this
Nice.
hood.
Pop the hood on this.
You want to see? No.
Oh, that's not
V12. But
yeah.
but he's got the K&N.
Yeah, I can't. Hey, Craig. Look, it's
Oh
new.
yeah, look
correct.
at that. That's nice.
Dude,
Yeah,
why
if you
don't
think it's
that's
valuable.
nice.
That's your problem.
Is it a kit or is it
Yes.
an actual? Yeah. It's a kit
Oh, it's a
what was it before?
Ford Mustang II.
Ah.
It's like a new adventure every time you start it.
Dude, it's so loud.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I-
What the fuck are those clamps?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I meant,
Why don't you have
Oh.
the heat extractors cut out?
Because 4-cylinder Mustang
I'll
engine.
cut it out when I get the turbo.
Oh, okay. There you go. Big old turbo.
Oh, you got the shoulder into it. It's shaking itself. Oh shit.
There you go.
Yeah.
For 10 grand, give me yours.
OBO. OBO.
Why is the base Mustang 2?
Because that's how they made the kit.
Ah. Why?
Or a Pinto.
I can't think of 2 worse cars.
Me neither, but it was free.
Me neither.
Oh, it was free.
Yes.
Oh, well.
Now
then.
everything makes sense.
Now it all makes sense. Dude, send it if it's
It's my
free.
daily driver, bud.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Pretty swell, right? Could be all yours.
Bro, this thing.
10 grand OBO.
8 grand.
This
Come
thing-
on. I'm trying to actually sell it.
If you want to get some Kamoots follow us to school. I have a bunch of them in my truck.
Okay.
No. 5's a hard.
All right.
No, 8.
Brad, we have a mission.
You bring the Lexus?
Yeah.
Right yonder.
So, that one. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, this is the car we were talking about. Dang. Your rebound's off. Look at that. Yeah, no, when I pushed with 4 people in the car, turns out both my front wheels have positive camber now.
Oh my heckin'.
Got some
Your boy's been
standing
whipping.
Okay, you ready to hear this baby purr?
Just simple nonsense.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sounds pretty
It
slow,
comes out
right?
a little more in the videos.
Yeah, he actually edits the sound in.
Oh really? Is
Yeah.
that how that sounds? Holy shit, man!
Shout out to my Mustang.
Insane, right?
Damn!
This car should not sound like that, you know?
That thing sounds mean as shit.
So good.
So good.
So good.
Alright, to school. Yeah,
All right, to school. All right. I hope you have enjoyed part 1 of the 1970 Mercedes WingaDinga review. I originally intended for this to be one continuous video, but it's kind of making more sense in editing to split it into 2 parts. So I'm gonna end this part here and then click the link somewhere in this outro card for part 2. I'm back in New York now. This is Classic Car Club Manhattan. Great place, cool people, lovely cars. And hopefully I haven't gone over 20 seconds. I'll see you in the next video.